Today we'll discuss one of the edible lesser known bean, little bit scientific and all we can discuss today. So this one is called Dolichos trilobus. Dolichos trilobus, and from October onwards it starts flowering, and it has quite a widespread plant. In India it can be found in the wild, and particularly in Karnataka. So flower you saw, and then it hangs out from a thin delicate stem like this. Okay, very fragile delicate kind of stem from which it hangs downwards, individual flowers, very pretty flowers also. Then bean, this is the bean, and now tell a little bit about it.
Bean? It's edible. It's usually forage, though it's not something that's grown a lot.
Rare, lesser known vegetable.
Lesser known vegetable. The beans can be cooked fresh or in a dried form. Can be stored for many months if it's dried. And the tuber has a lot of medicinal properties.
1 minute. Tuber. So it's a long-lived bean. Once you get it into your garden, it will grow for many years, and every year around this time, that is November, you get the flowers and all, flowers and beans. And if you harvest it, you can have it in the summer. Okay, and the tuber, how to grow it? The root of that plant is here. Come here, look at this now. Parent adrದ್ದು root ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is camelina. This one probably, this. So underneath you can plant it at the base of some other tree, some small shrub or tree, and that is Dolichos leaf there. Okay, this is the stem, the main stem from which the whole plant is emerging, and then underneath there will be a tuber, edible tuber actually, but if you eat the tuber then the plant is gone. Okay, then it will flower profusely if it is in a good location and well fed. Then see the new shoot there, can you see? The whole thing is hairy, the plant, stem, everything is hairy. This type of hairs are there normally in vegetables and plants that are acclimatized to dry weathers. Okay, because this will gather some dew and all in the early mornings. Moisture retention. Leaves, pretty 3-lobed leaves. Flower I showed already.
Yeah.
It can be
nice bud if you want.
Flower bud also is very small and nice one.
Petite.
Petite. And the whole, if you can climb it, if there is plenty of you feed it well and water it, it will grow. You can grow it into quite a big farm and harvest plenty of those beans. And Sanskrit name is?
Not sure actually.
Forgot. Okay.
No, there's 3 names. So.
3 names are there. So since it has Sanskrit name, it's a classical herb recognized in those days, and it's an ethnobotanic item, like villagers and tribals and all. The non-city people know about it and use it also. These videos we are doing for the urban people who don't have village corrections or who have forgotten all these things. So this is the edible bean, wild bean called trilobus, Dolichos trilobus.